Hi there, I'm Bob Burrage, and most of you know me as a workshop instructor. Well, did you know I do a lot of them online too? A lot of them. And you are in luck because this month, December, is a 50% Black Friday sale on all my online workshops. Imagine you've seen them where we do abstracts, we do beginners, we do loosen up, we have the figure paintings, we do all of that stuff, just like art school, all online. So how do you get there? Well, you can go to my website, to robertburrage.com. I can't wait to see you at my next online workshop.